Understanding the phrase, stand in the way, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. In this video, we'll explore the meaning, usage, and examples of the phrase, stand in the way. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding idioms like this can really bring your English skills to life. Stand in the way is an idiom that means to obstruct or prevent someone or something from progressing. It can be used in both a literal and a figurative sense. Literally, it might mean physically blocking a path. Figuratively, it refers to creating obstacles or hindrances that prevent progress or achievement. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage. The crowd was so thick that it stood in the way of the emergency services getting through. 2. Figurative usage. Don't let fear stand in the way of chasing your dreams. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both physical and metaphorical barriers. This phrase is often used in motivational contexts, encouraging someone not to let obstacles stop them. Descriptive scenarios, explaining why something failed or didn't happen. Argumentative discussions, when debating what might be hindering a process or a person. Understanding synonyms can deepen your comprehension. Block, hinder, obstruct, impede, thwart. These words can often be used interchangeably with stand in the way in various contexts. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of stand in the way for you. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your English, making your conversations more engaging and natural. Don't let anything stand in the way of your language learning journey. See you in our next video.